to change the battery out of your Chamberlain garage door openers, you have to open it up and put the appropriate watch battery in. So for the Chamberlain garage door opener, for you get to change the battery out for it to start working again, just get you a flathead screwdriver, and so you want to go to the edge here and just turn it clockwise. And you might have to get, there you go, just pry it open. And it's going to contain a little small battery in it. It's like a little watch battery. Okay. And the only thing you do is just pry that out. Okay. And then replace it with a new 2032 model battery. And then of course you just reinsert it and just loop it and do exactly what you just did. Program the actual garage door opener to train it in order to work again with your new battery. Is you want to open up this compartment here. What you're going to do is you want to hold down the learn button right here just for a couple of seconds. You hold it down, and then within 30 seconds press and hold the button on the handheld remote that you wish to operate your garage door. And then what you're going to do with the unit for the battery you just replaced, you're going to hold down the big button here, and it's going to blink 2 times once it knows it's learned the new garage door open. So I'm going to hold it down, the big button. Alright, and so that's all you have to do, and then let's go ahead and test it. Alright, and voila, it's fixed.